It's your boy Lake, back at it again with another video. And today, guys, we got 2 bags for the dumpster dive. It's raining right now, and that's why it's covering up the main item of the night, the best find of the night. Freaking the Nintendo Switch Splatoon edition. Dude, this box is so freaking rare. I can't believe I found this tonight. This is freaking insane. You know how freaking hard, like, the system alone is rare. This box is just as rare. The system for it is so rare. Like, it's like this edition with the Splatoon 2 game download. Like, I covered it with the towel to help get it dry. What the hell is in here? I think it's just stickers, but there's nothing really in here besides like the inserts of the thing. My camera's getting wet, and I'm trying to make sure this doesn't get wet. But we're about to head to the dumpster. I just want to show that off to you guys because this thing is so freaking rare. It's so cool. It's the best find of the night by far. Let me flip the camera for you. That way you see it right side up. Alright. Yeah, that's freaking amazing, dude. Like, the fact that I found that is freaking unreal. I can't believe that was in the dumpster. Back under the towel you go. Let's go to the actual dumpster to go through these bags. And we're here. We got the bag, we got 1, we got 2, we got the dumpster to dump in. The thing is open, it's better. Oh my god, I can actually throw garbage in it. Let's do this. Ooh, I already see cases down there. This might be a way better night. Let me wipe off my screen. Then I think. Can we get some focus? That just made it worse. How about that? Good? Let me turn off the camera and turn it back on. Okay, that's looking better. What is that? That is an awesome gift card. I'm keeping that. Throw it in the pocket. Dude, this is exciting. Already. That box, dude. That box, dude, that freaking got me excited. Let's just get these cases. Oh, what kind of case is this? Is this a PS3 case? Well, no game in it. It's like a dummy PS3 case. Huh. Any in this one? Nope. Nothing. Just dummies. That's a bummer. Nothing. Ooh, we got a case down here, I see. Ooh, it's Xbox One, but no game. Looks like it was Hasbro Game Night. And it's broken. I don't think I'm gonna keep it then. There's another one. Oh, it's Xbox One too. And it's broken as well. No game either. Enjoy 50. Hey, if this code works, guys, go ahead and use it. 15% off the NFL shop. 'Cause I ain't using it. Dang, 2 empty cases, both broken. At least there's cases, though. That's always a good sign. What's this? Some promo stuff. Got a vitamin water. Almost full? What the you guys didn't want to drink. Nope. What's this? 7-day live gold trial? I'll take that. Need my codes, dudes. We got more promo stuff. WWE stuff. What's this? It's like a Destiny 2 thing. Is it like a mini poster? Nah. It's like a promo thing for the game. Alright, that's it for this bag, guys. Let's get into bag number 2. They're both light, so don't know what to expect, really. But I do see the PS4 thing. There's broken bits of a PS4 case I just threw away. Shadow of Modor. Ooh, these stickers? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's cool. Fine stickers. I'll open them up here at the end for the recap just to show you what they look like, besides the ones you can already see. More vitamin water. Weird. Someone likes vitamin water there. Ooh, is this a lanyard? Cool. Play anime. That's cool. I'm gonna keep that. Throw that in the pocket. Donkey Kong marketing book. And white box. Hey guys, so what you're witnessing now is the recap. It's like a redo recap. It's me from the future, Lake from the future. Say hello to Lake from the future. But I just want to do a recap real quick of what I found because the video got cut out. I'm gonna play at the end what film I have left, but my video feed cut out. I don't know why. And I realized it before I did the recap, and then my recap just wasn't very good, and I just wanted to give you guys a better recap of what was found and what was found during the dumpster dive. And I'm sorry you couldn't get my just live reaction to everything, so I'm gonna try to be better and focusing more on what my camera's actually doing. So for now, I just wanted to give you guys a better recap because I didn't like my recap. I'll play it at the end of this one just to show you like how it went, because I was very, very salty. Like it was bad. How I acted in the video wasn't bad, but just my mood in general was just not good. So I just wanted to give a better recap of what we found. So obviously my main find was this Nintendo Switch Splatoon 2 box, and like I'm just freaking in love with this thing. Like there was no system in it, no accessories or anything, but like this box is just amazing. You know how rare this box is to find? Like, this was such a limited edition item. I see this thing on sale on eBay, like the whole system, just for like $500 just for the system thing itself. And like that's incredible with box. So I don't know how much this box is worth in general, just standalone, but I gotta keep it just for that. It was very hard to close because it has water damage. Where's the it must be on this side. Like, I don't know if you can tell, it has some water damage. It has water damage around here, so it's very hard to close. See, like right there. It doesn't look very good, but it's still a great box. It's just a cool display piece. Like, this is just gonna be chilling somewhere just to look at that. Like, that is so freaking cool. Like, I can't get over that. That is so freaking cool. And then for the rest of the finds in the bags, found this lanyard. Play anime. I've never seen this lanyard. I don't know, but it's also very dingy, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Very dirty. I might wash it, see if it'll do anything, but I mean it's still good. All you need is a key ring right here, but you know, it's whatever. Like, it's still cool. We got an SD card, 4 GB Lexar SD card, which is cool. 7-day free trial. Hopefully that works. We got 2 cool gift cards, 2 happy birthday gift cards. These are really cool. I like these ones a lot. I don't know what game they're for. If they're for a game or if they're just like a mascot for GameStop. I've never even seen this. So that's really cool. Found a movie. Green Lantern Blu-ray, which is very cool. It's not the Ryan Reynolds version, so it really isn't trash, hopefully. I think it's the animated version. Animated Green Lantern, so it should be cool. Hopefully I'll watch that. Skyrim Disc 2. So I never played Skyrim, guys. I don't know, but it is clean. Both discs are clean. But, you know, like, it's whatever. Like, I don't know if I probably need disc 1 to play this one. But it's still a great find. This one's clean. And then the 4 stickers, Mega Man stickers. Mega Man, Dr. W, whatever that is, and whatever that is. I'm not very familiar with Mega Man series, but Mega Man's just a cool character in general. And we found this DS case, which is very cool. I thought it might be broken since it was split in half, but it's perfectly fine. It just needed reconnected. So if I ever find a DS that fits this, I will use it, because I already have a case like this on my DS, so I'm not going to just change it out for this one, but it's still cool to find. And that's basically it. The only reason I could see them having this box, this was like, I know this Splatoon box was like a Walmart exclusive. I'm pretty sure Splatoon 2 was like Walmart exclusive, and it was very limited. So someone probably traded it in with box, and they threw out the box, which I think is very dumb. They should have just sold it back with box. Like, but hey, their loss is my gain, because this box is freaking incredible. It's one thing I definitely thought I would never find dumpster diving. That is so freaking cool. And we'll see the rest of the video that I have left that I filmed. And that was it for last night, guys. That was all my finds. It was like a mini jackpot. That was the find of the night. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Comment, subscribe. Until next time, guys. Deuces. Okay, guys, so the video cut out on me, and you don't get to see really what the rest I found, but I found cool gift cards. I found this DS case for the original DS or DS Lite, which is really cool. I don't know if it fits together right. We got this lanyard. We got Skyrim. Disc 2, freaking clean. It's clean. We got Green Lantern Blu-ray. We got this thing. We got these. We got this lanyard. We got the code. We got these cool gift cards, which I don't know what that's for. We got the 4GB SD card. And we got these stickers, which I'm not going to pull out because they'll probably get soaked. And that's it for tonight, guys. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, guys, deuces. And I'm sorry that the video cut out. I'll try to be better next time and make sure that doesn't happen. It just cut off, and I didn't even realize it. But deuces. It makes me salty. Deuces.